A Tesla Cybertruck was seen crab walking in Dallas, Texas. Cybertruck's owner was showcasing the crab walk capability, a feature that allows the vehicle to move diagonally by steering all four wheels in the same direction, enhancing maneuverability, highlighting its unique driving. Honestly, that looks like something is broken. As if the vehicle cannot keep itself straight. We agree the rear wheels appear stuck, but perhaps it's intentional to ensure the vehicle is still adequately controllable, if the rear steering fails stuck to one side. But the hazards are on. Looks like something is just broken, something's not quite right. Driving like that looks more dangerous than useful. Don't think that's intentional, looks like the rear steering angle is stuck at maximum. What do you think? Let us know in the comments section.